Landing gear. A strengthened portion of the wing has attachments for the main landing gear, which is tucked inside the wing and body during flight. A hydraulic retraction actuator is attached to the main landing gear strut in such a way to rotate the gear into position for landing. Bearing doors pivot with the rotating action. When the landing gear is fully deployed, a hinged side brace and locking stay with its own actuator keep landing gear locked firmly in place. These components unlock and fold with the landing gear for stowing.